13.8, local, state, and federal paperwork for startup. When starting a new company, navigating the maze of required local, state, and federal paperwork is vital in making sure your business operates legally. Here's a comprehensive overview of the necessary registrations and permits you'll need, along with some helpful resources. Required local, state, and federal paperwork to start your company. Okay, number one is your business name registration. At the state level, you must register your business name, especially if forming a corporation, partnership, or LLC. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll need to file a doing business as, or DBA, if using a business name different from your personal name. Secretary of State office's website is listed here. Okay, and then number two, you're going to need your employer identification number, or EIN. The federal level, the EIN is also known as your federal tax identification number, and it's essentially a social security number for your business. It is required for hiring employees, opening business bank accounts, and filing tax returns. And then your IRS EIN application website is listed here in the book. Number three, business licenses and permits. Local, state, federal levels. Okay, licenses and permits needed will depend on your industry and location. These can include zoning permits, health department permits, and professional licenses. Okay, and then there's again another website listed here for SBA permits and licenses. Okay, number four, articles of incorporation or organization. At the state level, required for corporations and LLCs to legally establish the business. This document outlines the business structure, governance, and corporate rules. You will have to get on your specific state's Secretary of State website. Number five, operating agreement. At the state level, for LLCs, this document outlines operational and financial decisions, which include rules, regulations, and provisions. Okay, there are some generic templates available on websites like the one listed here, or ones listed here at LegalZoom and Rocket Lawyer. Number six is a business bank account. Bank requirement. This is going to be essential for handling finances separately from personal accounts. You'll typically need your EIN and articles of incorporation to open one. You can consult local banks or credit unions that offer business banking services, and that would be most banks around. Okay, number seven is, excuse me, workers' compensation insurance at the state level. If you have employees, most states require you have workers' compensation insurance. Workers' compensation insurance would be different by the state, and you would have to look at yours specifically. And then number eight, unemployment insurance at the state level. Register with your state's labor department to cover unemployment insurance taxes. Okay, state unemployment insurance tax agencies is where you would find information about that. Number nine is your sales tax permit. At the state level, if you're selling goods or taxable services, you'll need to register for a sales tax permit, and that will be your state's Department of Revenue. So each state would be different. Okay, number 10, federal and state tax obligations. So federal and state levels, depending on your business structure, you may have different tax obligations. And then you could go to the IRS business taxes website that's listed. And then there are some additional resources here for U.S. small, excuse me, U.S. Small Business Administration. Okay, it says this offers comprehensive guides on starting and managing your business tailored to your location and industry, and that's going to be at the website listed, which is sba.gov. Okay, each business will have unique requirements based on its location, industry, and size. It's advisable to consult with legal professionals or a business advisor to ensure you meet all your legal obligations. This helps avoid potential fines or legal problems.